Hello and welcome to another product review here at ASAPro. My name is Steve and today we're going to be looking at Birddog software, namely Birddog Central and Birddog Comms. So if you didn't check out our last video on the 4K flex converters, check that out and then come back to this one. So we talked about new tech software like Test Patterns and Adobe Premiere Program Out and Studio Monitor, but this time we'll look at the Birddog package. So both of these are Windows-only applications, and you can get a free light version at birddog.com, but today we're going to be looking at the Pro versions. So first we will look at Birddog Central that I have up here, and it's pretty sleek design, really easy to understand. So on the left side you'll have sources, and on the right side you'll have your destinations. So you can see that I have my Birddog in, hey how you doing? And then I also happen to have three screen captures on my PC, and this is just because I have three screens attached to it. And what I can do is over on my destination side, if I press this plus button, it'll actually bring up a list 1 through 5. All you're doing here is putting the group number on top of your destination. So for this one I'll put 3, and maybe I'll put 5 for this one. So when I go ahead and select a NDI, it comes up in the program monitor in the middle. And then, okay, I want to send this to the Birddog out, which happens to be in group number 5. Then I can press apply, and thus the signal will be sent to the Birddog out unit. So the other program that we wanted to feature today was Birddog Comms, and this is also the Pro version. And essentially what you're seeing here is sort of the similar sleek layout as Birddog Central, except this has the ability to use the 3.5mm input on the back of each 4K flex converter. So even on the Birddog out unit, you can still find the 3.5mm microphone and audio inputs. So you'll see, start at the top left, so you can group these out, as simple as sources and destinations. And then when I select each group, you can see all of the available devices that have comms installed on them. Of course, I have many other NDI sources in my network at the moment, but these ones will be available only if they have the comms installed. So for sources, I'll go ahead and press the in. Destinations, maybe I just want the out. So essentially when then you assign these devices to the groups, you can go down here and actually list all of them out. So if you had maybe a multiple third group, for example, you could still bring it up, and if there were NDI devices available, you'd be able to see them in here. So you can toggle whichever. And the cool thing is that when a producer or a director is using this software, you can actually just talk to one group at a time, and I'll show you what I mean. So down here under group 1, I have sources, and you can see my Birddog in unit, and within there, I could actually go ahead and press group 1, and then I'm effectively talking to the group at this time. So even though I didn't press the push to talk button, once I press group 1, my audio will be going to them. And then to hear the audio come from the operator side, you will want to press the headphones icon down here where you can see the audio coming through the HDMI. And then if I press it again, if there were headphones and a microphone input, then you could see the audio come through there. And you can turn up their levels, mute them if you want, and then just do solo talkback as well. So one other really important feature in Birddog Comms is it also has the gear button that you can use to go to the device dashboard if you want to. And when you do that, you also have additional audio gain settings in the Birddog 4K Flex Converter dashboard. And then, of course, in real practice, you could also talk to both groups at the same time by pressing group 2. Or what would also work is if you just press push to talk, then the audio would be sent to both groups automatically. So if you're interested in learning more about the Birddog software that we learned today, or other Birddog products like their PTZ cameras, converters, go ahead and get in touch with us today at ASAPro-Line.com to get in touch. Thanks for watching.